So this is Karen, 14 female interviewer. Do you want to just go through your collage, how I see myself, and explain what pictures you've used and why you've used them? The crossword is I think I'm intelligent, and the Alex Ferguson one because he demands a lot from the players to show that I'm demanding. So you can see Karen here up to this place. We can say intelligent as a code, intelligent. Then in the Alex Ferguson one, because he demands a lot from players to show that I'm demanding. So she's demanding, that's a code. So you can see we already have 4 codes here. Let me drag this for you to see. We have powerful, opinionated, intelligent, and demanding. Let's put in more codes here for Karen. So the Paris Hilton one, because I can imagine her to be quite selfish. We can give her the code selfish. Yeah, so the font that says I talk a lot. So this sentence of I talk a lot, we can code it as talkative. So this is how you code. Remember, there are 2 approaches to coding. We have semantic, where we just take the open or the shallow meaning or the clear meaning. For example, yeah, so the font says that I talk a lot. That I think is a bit semantic approach to coding. Then we have latent approach to coding, where we look for the deeper meaning. Most of my codes here are semantic, but as we go on, we'll see some examples of latent codes. So you can see I've already come up with so many codes. And the woman, image of a woman wearing a tiara. I like people to run around for me because I don't like to do a lot for myself. Here we can assign what I called a latent code. I don't like to do a lot for myself. So we can call Karen lazy. That's an example of a latent code, because there's nowhere Karen says she's lazy, but by reading the sentence we can get the deeper meaning. Like, I don't like to do a lot for myself infers or means that Karen is lazy. Right, what do you do about the DNG and the perfume? To show that I'm girly, and the biscuit is to show that I'm sweet. So to show that I'm girly, we can code that again with a latent code or a latent code. We call this feminine. And then, and the biscuit is to show that I'm sweet. We can code that using the semantic code, which is sweet. That's how you code your interview transcripts, and that's how you come up with the initial codes. So I'm going to go and take my time to generate all the initial codes, and then we can move to the next step. Now,